Portugal is imposing a coronavirus curfew from today in an effort to combat surging case numbers. It follows a state of emergency declaration due to infections tripling since early October. The Prime Minister said the only way to control the pandemic is to avoid social interaction.
The situation was very difficult during the first wave, when we had a number of hospitalisations, which at the worst moment reached 1,300 people. Today, the situation is much more serious, because we have 2,420 people in hospitals.
The weekend also saw Greece going back into lockdown. The country's recorded almost 47,000 infections, but it's the rising numbers in intensive care that worries the authorities most of all. The number of patients hospitalised on ventilators has more than doubled in a month. Switzerland's response is to call in the army. It's remobilised up to 2,500 troops to help with basic care and testing. The move comes as the government looks to ramp up capacity, with some hospitals in worst affected regions seeing intensive care facilities approaching saturation point. But with the lockdowns and other restrictions come the protests. Weekend rallies in Madrid, Leipzig and Bucharest were mirrored by marchers in Zagreb opposed to government restrictions. Some even claimed that the pandemic was a scam.
We are not satisfied with the measures, especially wearing masks. I work in hospitality and we are devastated because of those measures. We are unable to work normally.
There is no pandemic. People are afraid of something that does not exist. And that's my opinion.
Evelyn Laverick, Euronews.